Hi, welcome to Blindowl Outdoors. We hope you enjoy our channel, and if possible, could you please join our Patreon page? We really need your help. It's been a long, hard road. Thank you. Hi, welcome to our channel. There's Murphy. My name's Dan. We're in the Philippines on the Island of Bohol. Murphy's got a new toy here today. She can't run the string trimmers, they're too heavy for her, so I thought something like this, maybe she'd be able to roll back and forth, no problem. The secret will be whether she can start it or not. Whatever you do, don't put your feet anywhere near the mower part, the red part, okay? It'll eat you up. Alright, to start it, you pull this lever here up softly, okay? We'll pull it up.
Like that?
Yep. Okay. Then with this hand, pull that tight. That's the on-off button.
Right now?
If you want to start it up, you have to hold that tight to run the mower.
Oh.
Okay. So you got to hold that with this hand, and with this hand,
Go like that.
pull it. Yeah.
One.
Got to pull it, huh?
Hard.
Harder than that. Faster. Okay. Well, that's actually good. So she can't do this by herself. We have to have someone here with her so she can't get hurt. All right. You hold the thing here. I'll get it started for you. Hold this button here. Okay, here's Murphy trying it. I had to start the mower for her. Trying to get in her head. She's got to overlap each pass by it. Go a little farther. Go in there a little bit. In there a little bit, huh? She's afraid of it a little bit already. Okay. Now, what you're doing is you're lifting up the top. You can't do that. You got to keep it on the ground, back and forth. You're lifting it up. Get in there a little more. She's already getting frustrated. Waiting for her to hit something. There you go. A little farther. That's pretty good. We're going to cut it down pretty nice, so I got it at about halfway in the height adjustment. Go back and forth here a few times. She's already grumbling. gonna do a nice job though for us. Here, up here. When you walk backwards, walk like this. She absolutely refuses to learn to listen to directions. Okay, let's take it down there and do it all down there by the coconut tree. I'm just joking. I'm just joking. No, don't go down there. I'm just joking. How about right here? There you go. What do you think? Let go of the handle once. Easy. There you go. What do you think?
Very nice.
Look over here. It'll take a little while to do it. Now, feel the side of your bag. Can you feel the grass in there? Mm. Okay. Now, you want to lift up the little black lid a little bit. Just a little bit. Get that handle. Put one hand in the handle, one hand back here. You got to lift it up over those hooks up there in the front. There you go. Okay, now never reach your hand in there unless the mower is off, which is off. You can reach your hand in there and grab that stuff out of there and jam it in the bag. Take it all out there. You can't run unless this lever here is up, huh? Murphy's a little shy because she cut her hand good on a hedge trimmer once. Okay, and then walk that over to the triangle and dump it in and shake it out. Watch out you don't hit the bag on anything because it's a fragile bag. So what do you think?
Very nice.
Yeah, it's going to really help a lot. Thanks for watching. Take care.